morning, everyone. This is Ali. Today is the 29th February, and the weather is a little cloudy, and there has some mist in the air. Right now, I'm going to my company, Quanfeng Aviation and Quanfeng Biological Company. Also, these days we are under the control of coronavirus. Right now you can see, like years before, in this road, the road is Zhonghua Road in Anyang City, in the central of the city, link the south and the north. It is very busy road, but right now you can see the traffic is well. Also, you can count the car is not very many, and right now everyone in the city need, if you want to work, you need the quarantine for about 2 weeks. Some of our company workers, they are quarantined from the traditional Spring Festival to now. Next week, our department will be fully on duty, and we are glad to inform you that we can get your order and provide the professional service to you. So if you need agricultural drone, agricultural spring drone, and water-soluble fertilizer, and high efficient plant growth regulator, contact me without any hesitation. Here I should say some about the coronavirus. Right now, through the every kind of media, we can know the coronavirus is right now escalated in all over the world, including Japan, South Korea, New Zealand, Iran, England, Italy. Some of these countries are really bad, the situation. But in China, you can see, basically, people are getting used to live like the old days. People, something different is people all wearing the masks to going to work, to buying the living necessities. Everything looks normal, but there's only small changes on the commercial street. Most of the small business are not open yet. People still quarantined in their home. So the food market and the tourism market, like the hotel, maybe in nearly days will be allowed to open in near future. Yesterday night I got a notice of our municipal government. Maybe around the next few days, some of the public service company and or small enterprise will be allowed to back to work. But the people in the company should get some license to improve their to provide their healthy certification. This is a better measure for the rest of their company's people. This is a very good measure to keep the safe of the whole society. We glad to know that. Until today, I have already been back to my working 7 days. Everything for me, I think, is very good. Without only there is one abnormal thing is you should wearing your face masks every day and every time. This is maybe not suitable. Maybe it's not very feel comfortable. But this is a matter to keep the coronavirus away from your health. Also, this is a responsibility to your co-workers, your friend, and your family. We all doing this like a hobby, we all doing this like a daily routine. Right now, Chinese people make a good example for the world to conquer the coronavirus in their country, in our native. Right now, until yesterday, in this city Anyang, we have only 53 people confirmed the coronavirus. Also, some people like their suspect patients are most of them are already released from the hospital. I don't know well about the procedure, but I from the news and the media, I know all of them are not paying anything. This is government level work for them. This is maybe another welfare of being Chinese people. So I'm gladly to know that. Okay. Also, Chinese people are never been crushed by any difficulties or challenging things. It is our party, our Chinese nation's spirits keep people going. We are very flexible and united, especially in this very bad circumstances. So I think your people and your country all share this advantage, so we can work together to conquer the coronavirus. Maybe in the near future, I should go outside the world to like exhibition work. So we are looking forward to a bright future in the near. Trust yourself, trust your company, trust your country, trust your people. We unite together. Keep your eye in everything. Wearing your face masks every day, every time. Wash your hand carefully. Make yourself healthy habits build up. This all will keep the coronavirus away. Let's looking forward to a better to the end of this epidemic. Okay, this is a very maybe not good vlog for me, but this is a try. I will keep my work on this. So thank you for your following, and if you need anything or